This video explains how to fill out the online EOAC Energy Assistance application. If you need further assistance filling out the online application, please call the Community Programming Department at 254-756-0954 or please email communityservices@eoacwaco.org. To access the online application, open your browser window. You can use Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or any browser, and navigate to the website www.eoacwaco.org. Click on the Community Services link. Click on Application. Click on the Online Application link. The online application will load. Begin by entering your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your email address. If you do not have an email address, you may leave this field blank. Enter your work phone number. If you do not have a work phone, you may leave this field blank. Enter your cell phone number. If you do not have a cell phone number, you may leave this field blank. Enter your home phone number. If you do not have a home phone, you may leave this field blank. Select your household type from the drop-down. Select your housing type from the drop-down. Select your characteristic from the drop-down. If none of these apply, please select Other. If your household receives food stamps, please select the box. If you own your home, select the Do You Own the House box and enter the amount of your mortgage per month. Dollar signs are not necessary, but make sure you include dollars and cents if acceptable. If you rent your home, select the Do You Rent the House box and enter the amount of your rent per month. Dollar signs are not necessary, but make sure that you include dollars and cents if applicable. Click the Next button to continue. Step 2 requires that you enter your residential address. This is the address that you would like to receive service. Please enter your street address and apartment number if applicable. If your mailing address is different from your residential address, please enter that into the mailing address box. Ensure you include the entire address, including the city, state, and zip code. From the drop-down, select your residential address city, state, zip, and county. Click the Next button to continue. If at any time you realize you made a mistake in your application, that's okay. You can click the Previous Page button to return to the previous page. Make any needed corrections and click the Next Page button to continue the application. Step 3 requires you to enter in your utility information. From the drop-down, select your electric company vendor. Then enter your account number exactly as it appears on your electric bill. Then enter the name that is on the bill. Repeat this process for your gas, propane, water, and other companies if applicable. If you do not have a type of utility, such as propane for example, that's okay. Just leave the boxes blank. Click the Next Page button to continue. Step 4 requires you to list your household information. You must list all members of your household. Failure to list all household members could result in application denial. Enter the number of family members, including yourself, into the box and click the Submit button. The screen will refresh. Select the Additional Info on Family Member button. Add all required information to the family member. Click Update when done. Once all family members have been added, click the Next Page button. Great! Your application is now 70% complete. Click the Continue button. From the drop-downs, answer the questions in Step 5. Click the Next Page button when complete. On Step 6, you will enter any additional comments if necessary to help us understand your situation. If you do not have any additional comments, you may leave this box blank. Click the Next Page button when complete. Step 7 allows you to upload the necessary documents required to process your application. Make sure you've included your SAVE documentation for each household member. Acceptable SAVE documents are shown on the screen. If you have any questions about the appropriate SAVE documents, please navigate to eoacwaco.org, click on Community Services, click on Application, and click on Save Documentation. The acceptable document list will show you what documents are acceptable for SAVE. These must be included for each member in your household. Current utility bills are also required with your application and can be uploaded on this screen along with your pay stubs. If you do not have your documentation to upload, that is okay. However, as a reminder, applicants applying for services will be contacted with a scheduled date and time to come in and meet with a case manager to determine eligibility for services. No services will be granted until eligibility has been established. Applicants will need to have a completed application with all required documents ready for the case manager when arriving for their scheduled appointment to determine eligibility. If the applicant is missing any of the required documents, the case manager will not be able to process the application, and the client will have to reschedule to be seen at a later date. To upload your document, click the Click Here to Upload Document button. Navigate to the document location on your computer and select the document you want to upload. Repeat this process as many times as necessary to upload the required documentation. Once all documents are uploaded, please read the verification statement and click the box once done. Click Finish and Save to complete the application process. Congratulations! Your application is now complete. You will be contacted to determine eligibility and to schedule an appointment with a case manager based on priority need. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions, please email communityservices@eoacwaco.org or call 254-756-0954.